Hello and good morning to all my dear students. I welcome you in the class of Accounts Standard 11. Today we will start up with new chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is Trial Balance. In our last chapter number 9, Ledger Posting, I have explained you how to take it out the balances from the accounts. हर एक इंडिविजुअल अकाउंट्स को जब अपन क्लोज कर रहे थे तो उनका या तो डेबिट बैलेंस या तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस आ रहा था. सो those debit balances and credit balances we are going to post in trial balance. वो जो हमने लेजर पोस्टिंग किया था उसके जो बैलेंसेस होते हैं वो हमें काम में आते हैं टू प्रिपेयर आवर ट्रायल बैलेंस. Let us first go through with the meaning of trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which shows that debit balances and credit balances disclosed in it are mathematically correct. Now, trial balance is not an account, but it is a statement in which there are two sides, there are two bifurcations. The one is debit balance and the another is credit balance. Now in trial balance, if your debit side and credit side are tallied, that means it is said that mathematically the trial balance is correct. How mathematically? Because दोनों बाजू आपका जो टोटल आ रहा है that is correct and that is identical, that is same. Here, if the total of the debit balances and the total of credit balances is identical, which is similar, which is same, then it is said that the trial balance is mathematically correct. Now, as a स्टूडेंट ऑफ अकाउंट्स हमारा ट्रायल बैलेंस सिर्फ मैथमेटिकली ही करेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, बट कंसेप्चुअली आवर ट्रायल बैलेंस शुड बी करेक्ट. सो एज एंड व्हेन वी विल मूव ऑन टू प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन, हमने पर्सनल, रियल एंड नॉमिनल के रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग हमें ट्रायल बैलेंस को करना होगा. सो हमें याद ही है सारे तीनों टाइप के अकाउंट्स के रूल्स. सो प्लीज कीप वन थिंग इन योर माइंड दैट conceptually and mathematically your trial balance should be correct. There are two forms of preparing trial balance. Trial balance first is account form. I have shown you this is in the form of T shape. The darkened line in the middle shows this as it is T shape. On left hand side it is debit side and on the right hand side it is credit side. कौन सी items यहाँ पर आती हैं? हमारा drawings for personal use, all the types of our assets, all our expenses and losses come on the debit side. On the opposite side, whatsoever the owner brings to commence the business, so that is capital. All our liabilities, all our payables on the credit side, incomes and profits on the credit side. So this will help you a lot to identify that which account should go on the debit or the credit side. As and when from last 9 chapters we are studying accounts, so अभी हमें पता चल ही गया होगा कि परचेज को कौन सा नेचर होता है, सेल्स को कौन सा नेचर होता है, and so on. So this is our account form. I am going to explain you all my practical questions in the same format, in the account format. The next one is statement form. In statement form, only the format will remain the same, else concept-wise and mathematical-wise your debit and credit balance should tally. All the name of accounts to be written over here. The next is ledger folio number. The first column will be for your debit rupees and credit rupees. So this is clear. This is your statement form, and this the first one was your account form. Now let us start with question number 4.
Question number 4 from page number 260. From the given information, prepare trial balance of Praveen Patel as on 31/3/2016. Now here are the name of the accounts and amounts are also given to you. Now from these particulars we are supposed to prepare a tallied trial balance with mathematically also it should be correct, and as per the rules it also must be correct. I have drawn in the form of account trial balance of Shri Praveen Patel as on 31/3/2016. On my left hand side I have written debit balance amount, and on credit side, that is on right hand side, I have written credit balance amount. Each and every amount we are supposed to go through, and as per their nature we will do its posting. This is first opening stock. Opening stock has debit nature because in the business stock means goods are available. So opening stock 7440 on debit side. What to be written is opening stock 7440. Okay. Next is wages. Wages are expense for the business, so debit nature wages of 4000. Next is sales. Sales means goods goes out, credit side 48,000. Repairing is your expense, so as per the rule of nominal, expenses are to be debited. Next is tax. Tax will also have its debit nature 600. Land and building, our assets, always assets will have their debit nature. Again, next is plant and machinery, they are assets 3000. Next is electricity expense. Right now I told you as per the nominal हमें क्या करना होगा, debit all expenses. Next, capital is there. Owner brings into the business to commence is known as capital, and capital has its credit nature. Office salary. Office में हमें employees को जो salary देनी पड़ती है, that is office salary. Okay. Next, patents. Patents are our intangible assets, so debit nature. It is next बैंक बैलेंस. बैंक ओडी होता तो हम उसे क्रेडिट साइड लिखते, बट दिस इज आवर बैंक बैलेंस. नेक्स्ट कम्स इज बैंक लोन. हमने लोन लिया है, दैट मीन्स दैट इज आवर लायबिलिटी, सो liabilities are always credited. Next is carriage inward. हमारे गुड्स का ये एक खर्चा है, कैरियज इनवर्ड 1200. परचेजेस गुड्स कम्स इन, सो goods comes in, so debit. Next is carriage outward. Again, this is the expense in concern to goods. Next, debtors. debtors means our assets, so 8,000 rupees. Cash balance is there, so debit side. Next, again it is loose tools. Loose tools are also asset for the business, 720. क्रेडिटर्स को कौन सा नेचर होता है? दे हैव द नेचर ऑफ क्रेडिट बिकॉज इन नियर फ्यूचर हमें उसको पे करना होगा. नेक्स्ट इज सन्ड्री इनकम. एज पर द रूल ऑफ नॉमिनल अकाउंट, क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम्स एंड गेन्स. इसके लिए इनकम को हमने क्रेडिट किया. नेक्स्ट कम्स इज ऑफिस फर्नीचर. फर्नीचर बीइंग द नेचर ऑफ असेट, हम इसको डेबिट साइड रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. एंड द लास्ट वन इज गुडविल. गुडविल इज ऑल्सो वन टाइप ऑफ अवर intangible asset. At the end, we are supposed to do the totaling of all the debit side plus all credit side, and both these totals should match one another. 69,200 is the total of debit side, and even on credit side हमें totaling करना होगा, and एक एक लेते जाएंगे. 48,000 plus 16,000 plus 1760 plus 3,200 plus 240. This comes to 69,200. Okay, so this was question number 4, which is trial balance. हम इसे कह सकते हैं कि mathematically as well as conceptually this is tallied trial balance. And your today's homework is question number 4, which I taught you right now, along with that illustration number first. Thank you, students.